You know what? What a terrible light. This thing's. No, it's working. It's working. It's working. Oops. Why would you have a light right here? It was covering up the light. Like, oh wait. Let's take a little light. Yeah, it was working though. This. Who wants this one?
Started at 100.
No. Put it in with a shirt.
Okay, put it in with a shirt.
Yeah, put it in with a shirt.
I'm gonna put it in special light with a signed vinyl. How about that? Signed vinyl?
Oh, is it?
Oh, wait.
Is it like this?
Yes.
It's like this. Like this.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Okay. Like that.
I'm next person.
Yeah, this is.
Okay.
Right.
I'll run it with a signed vinyl.
You can only do that. Yeah, don't have it.
Huh?